Oh, another beautiful day in Florida. Hello, Judd here, and I just drilled a hole in the roof of my car. This is so I can mount my camera rig on the roof of the car so I can do my road videos. You do what you gotta do to get the job done. What I did, I took out this thing up here. It had a couple of lights and a sunglass holder. It's got this is between the roof and this. So what I did, I drilled through here, 1/4 inch all the way through. Then I drilled 5/16 here, which will allow the threaded piece to go into there, and then I roughed up the surface to take the JB weld, which I got right up here. So I'm going to use that to secure this threaded section in here, and the threaded rod I've got in there is just to secure it and line it up for the moment. Like that, and then that'll be threaded up there, and I can thread down into it with the hardware that'll hold the camera rack in place. Okay, the black stuff became kind of separated and watery, so I did a second stripe there. I'm going to try to mix with solid and solid. Also, I've waxed the threads on here, so if any epoxy gets on there, it's not a problem. Okay, so there we go. I've got it duct taped in place to hold it for the moment, and I'm going to go up top side and put a wing nut on it to pull it tight. I got a rubber washer, boom, 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 and a fender washer, and my wing nut. There we go. Good. Okay, so that'll pull that nice and snug, and I've also got a rubber seal there on the hole, so that'll be okay overnight. We'll have that set up overnight, and now I've got a way to secure my box once I build it onto the roof. Happy day to you.